Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into the Zerion application on your mobile device. To log into your Zerion wallet with the Zerion mobile app, first of all, open the Zerion application from your app drawer. Right after you do that, go ahead and unlock your wallet like you normally do. And then, once you open up the app, you will end up in this homepage. Now, click on the human icon located at the bottom right-hand corner from the homepage and then tap on App Settings. Under Settings, tap on Manage Wallets. Now you will come across this interface where you can create a new Zerion wallet if you don't have one already, or if you want to log into your existing wallet, you will need to tap on Import Wallet. Simply tap on Import Wallet to get to the next page where you need to enter your recovery phrase or your private key to get access back to your wallet. Type in your recovery phrase or your private key from your backup. After typing in your backup phrases or your private key, click on the import button at the bottom. Now you will see the list of inactive wallets on the screen, and the wallet associated with your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen. Make sure you select your wallet from the list and tap on Continue. Right after you do that, you will then be able to get back to your wallet. Now, if you want to back up your wallet to iCloud so that you can recover your wallet just by being logged into iCloud on any device, tap on Backup button at the bottom right and follow through the instructions. And that is how you will be able to import your wallet or log into your existing wallet on Zerion application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.